Get that. Oh. Let's go, defense. Read it, Conti. Read it. Oh, let's go. Watch out. Let's go, Diego. Good read. Good read. Diego, go. Let's go, Colin. Nice one. Good job, Santi. Clutch that. Kingston, hands up. Hands up. Nice. Nice rebound. What? Let's go. Get in there. Get in there. Let's go. Ah.
down by 10 on purpose. Cut it close in the third quarter, and then the fourth is ours, right? What you guys do? Resilience, man. Give me the game ball. Give me the game ball. I don't know who's getting the game ball today. Clay! Clay, guys, man. Every game is a different person, man. Every game, all of you guys are showing up, playing defense. Man, I'm so proud of you guys. You know, win or lose, man, I'm so proud of what you guys have gone through and where you guys are at today.
Coach Dave special.
Dave.